What if AI could do your product research for you? Imagine having an AI tool with a few successful eBay competitors, and within minutes, it automatically uncovers their best-selling products, filters out weak products, and even discovers hidden products your competitors tried to hide. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Instead of spending hours manually researching products, you will see how AI can do most of the heavy lifting for you and help you find winning products in a fraction of the time. So let's get started, okay? So let me show you quickly why using AI tools to find eBay dropshipping products is becoming like the new standard in product research. The first advantage is quantity, okay? With AI, you can discover a large number of products in a very short amount of time. And the best part is that the speed doesn't come at the expense of quality. In the past, product research, was a long and time-consuming process. And today, with the right AI tools, you can complete hours of manual research in just a few minutes. And another major advantage is accuracy, because AI can scan huge product databases at once, and you can apply smart filters and instantly narrow the results down to only the products that match your criteria, saving time while focusing only on the best opportunities. Look, instead of just spending your day searching for products, AI lets you spend more time listing products, optimizing your store, and growing your business. And that's why AI-powered product research is quickly becoming the future of eBay dropshipping. When it comes down to AI-powered eBay dropshipping, ZIK offers several tools designed to automate product research, including Autopilot, Turbo Scanner, and the one we'll focus on in this video, the bulk scanner. The bulk scanner has become one of the most powerful AI tools for dropshippers because it doesn't just find random products. It analyzes your competitors and automatically extracts their top performing products and the products that are driving the majority of their sales. Like, think about it for a second. Instead of trying to guess which products might sell, you're building a product catalog based on your competitors' best performing products, like the ones that have already proven themselves in the market. Imagine filling your store with products like that. That's exactly what makes the bulk scanner such a powerful tool for scaling an eBay dropshipping business. Now, before we can start using the bulk scanner, there's just one important step we need to complete first, and that is finding strong competitors for the AI to analyze. And to do that, I like to start by just configuring the market insights dashboard to match my business model. For example, if you're sourcing products from AliExpress, simply set your supplier to AliExpress. In my case, I'm doing Amazon to eBay dropshipping, so I'll set the marketplace and the business model and the supplier accordingly. And once these settings are applied, the entire dashboard becomes tailored to my business. So every seller, every product, and niche that I see now is relevant to Amazon to eBay dropshipping. One of my favorite things about this dashboard is that it's updated every 24 hours, like constantly bringing in new trending products and new competitors. And here under the trending dropshippers or trending products, I can immediately find sellers that match my business model. To analyze one, I'll simply click the detective icon like this, and all of the seller's data becomes available. Now, before saving any competitor to the watch list, it's important to always ask one question. Are the seller's products worth following? I'm actually less interested in the seller's feedback or overall account performance. What I really care about is the quality and the profitability of their products. So I will review a few of their best selling products. And if I see products that are selling consistently and generating healthy profit margins, I know this is a good competitor, like worth saving. When it comes down to finding good competitors, I recommend starting with sellers that have the flame icon next to their name. And why? Well, because this indicates the seller is currently growing in sales, making them a great candidate to analyze. So let's use this seller as our example. Now we're here in the validation phase. It's where we need to review a few of the seller's products and answer two simple questions. Are the products in this store more diverse and consistently selling? And is the seller working with healthy profit margins? Ideally, 10% or more for Amazon to eBay products and around 30 or more for products sourced from international suppliers like AliExpress. So let's just check this product first right here. 12 pieces realistic cat figurines you can see here. And there are only 8 sellers offering the same product on eBay, which means the competition isn't too high. Now let's just check the profit margin. I'm going to click here on the Amazon icon, like right here. And since it has a green check mark, it means the ZIK found an exact match on Amazon. So it's perfect, okay? So this product costs $14.99 on Amazon, while the seller is selling it for $20.93 on eBay. So that leaves an estimated profit of $2.29 after eBay fees, or almost like an 11% profit margin. So this is exactly what we're looking for. Now, let's just verify with one more product. Here is the silicone baking pastry dough mat. Okay. Again, I see here healthy profit margins and a product that's like easy to sell. So at this point, I have enough confidence to use this seller as one of my product sources. So now all that's left is to save the seller. I'm just going to click here, save to watch list, give it a name that I will like recognize later, something like Amazon to eBay, healthy profit margin, and then do however you think is best. You save it. And now I will click here, scan all items, followed by view scanned items. Now this sends the seller directly to the bulk scanner where the AI takes over, and that's where the real magic begins. Don't go anywhere because now we're inside ZIK's AI bulk scanner. And once you have fed the AI with strong competitors, there are 2 powerful ways you can use this tool. And I'm going to show you both. The first is to scan multiple competitors at the same time. And the second is to automatically organize every product by its sourcing status, like exact match, similar match, and no match. Later in this video, I'm going to also show you why the similar match and the no match categories can be huge opportunities, okay? But first, let's just use the feature that can save you hours of manual research. I will select up to 5 competitors, okay? And I'm going to click Add to Multi-Scanner. Now, it's the time to tell the AI exactly what kind of products we want. And these are the filters that I personally use to get only the top performing products from competitors that I'm scanning. The minimum price I set to $15. So we focus on products with healthier profit margins. The minimum profit, I put $3. The minimum sales, 5 sales in the past 30 days. The source website, Amazon.com. And folder, I'll just choose the ZIK folder where I want these products to be saved. And finally, I will enable Prime only. So I only receive products fulfilled by Amazon Prime. That means faster shipping, reliable customer service, and products sold directly by Amazon rather than like third-party sellers. And once everything is set, I'll simply click here, create scan. So look at this. We got 324 products with these criteria. Okay, so let's just open them and see what we've got. Actually, before we check the products we found, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, which has grown to over 100,000 subscribers from all over the world. And you know what? If you want to use the same tools that I'm using, that you're seeing, watching this video, you can try ZIK today. All right, let's jump to the results. Right here is the scan is complete, as you can see, and here we can see all the products from the competitors that matched the filters that we set. So let's just review a couple of them. Okay, so first, look at this product, okay? It's the 2-pack bathroom corner shelf shower caddy. And I can see it's selling on eBay for $30.99, and it has sold 24 times overall. Now, let's check the matched Amazon source. The exact same product in Amazon costs only $22.99. That means by selling it for $30.99, we're looking at an estimated $10 profit per sale after eBay fees. And since it has sold 24 times, this product alone has generated around $240 in profit for the seller. Look, because we were very selective with our filters, the AI was able to return only the top performing products from all 5 competitors that we have scanned. All right, so let's just look at another, one more example. Here's this one, the 6 feet ultra thin USB VGA 2-in-1 cable. And look at this. On eBay, it's $21.79, while the matched Amazon source costs only $15.82. So that leaves an around estimated $3 profit per sale after eBay fees. Look, I understand it may not sound like a huge margin, but this product has already sold 27 times, generating over $80 in profit from a simple everyday product. Now I guess it's your turn to decide which products you want to add to your own business. Simply click upload all products or upload selected products. Choose one of the product monitors that integrates with ZIK, and your products will be transferred there ready to be uploaded to eBay. And if you're using a product monitor that isn't integrated with ZIK, there's no problem at all. You can just simply export the selected products as a CSV file, and then you can import that file into basically any product monitor that you're using. And now there's one more way I like to use the bulk scanner, and this is one of my favorite features, I guess. And instead of just scanning multiple competitors together, I can analyze each competitor individually and have the AI automatically divide all of their products into 3 categories. And they are exact match, products where ZIK found the exact supplier; similar match, products where the AI couldn't find the exact item but found a very similar alternative; and not found. And these are products where no supplier was found at all. In my opinion, the real opportunities are in the similar match and not found sections. Let me show you why. I'll simply click here in the competitor that we saved earlier. And then within seconds, AI right here organizes every product into these 3 types. So let's just start with the exact match. Here you can see, for example, the AI has already matched every eBay listing with exact supplier. And as you can see, the images are identical, making these products very easy to source and list, and so on. Now, let's just move to similar match, because this is where things become really interesting. In general, eBay likes seeing new products added to its marketplace, for sure. One great way to take advantage of that is by listing similar products instead of copying the exact same item. The idea is quite simple. If one product is already selling well, there's a good chance that a similar or even a slightly improved version can perform just as well. So let's look at this product right here, 8 pieces kids a promo. Now this product has already generated sales on eBay. Now look at what the AI suggested. Instead of the exact same, it found a more colorful and more attractive version. And personally, if I had to choose between the two, I would definitely go with the product that the AI recommended. What I would do is list the similar product, optimize the title using keywords similar to the successful listing, and price it within the same price range, because this gives me the opportunity to enter the same market with a product that may actually look more appealing than my competitors. Just make sure that when you're, writing your title, every feature you mention actually matches the product that you're selling. Let's look at what I consider the real gold mine, the not found section. And these are products where ZIK couldn't automatically identify its supplier. So in most cases, that's because the seller intentionally tried to hide the source by changing the main image, removing UPCs, or making other modifications. But guess what? Those are often the seller's best performing products, the ones with high profit margins and very little competition. So let's just take this memory foam body pillow here as an example. I can see that it's selling on eBay for $34.89 and has generated 26 sales. Now, this is how I would find the supplier manually. I will right click the product image, then I'm going to search it using Google Images. Then I'll add to Amazon.com to the search results, and there you see this is the exact same product, and it's available on Amazon for only $24.99. That leaves this estimated profit of $6 profit per sale. So around $156 in profit from this product alone. And I'll simply scroll down like on Amazon, like right here, and copy the ASIN of this product like this. Okay, which is Amazon's unique product identifier. And then I'll go back to the bulk scanner, choose the ZIK folder where I want to save the product, and I'll paste the ASIN and just click save. And that's it. I've manually linked the supplier to the eBay listing. And now this product is ready to be sent to my product monitor and uploaded to my eBay store. Now, the biggest advantage of this not found match isn't just the profit. Because the seller worked so hard to hide the supplier, very few competitors will find this product. And that's exactly why the not found section can become one of the best places to discover hidden, low competition products with strong profit potential. And that's exactly why I believe AI is becoming one of the biggest advantages in eBay dropshipping. Instead of manually researching products in one by one. AI can analyze competitors, identify their winning products, organize them by opportunity, and save you countless hours of work. But remember, the AI isn't replacing your decision making. It's removing the repetitive work so you can focus on choosing the best products and optimizing your listings and growing your business faster. And if you want to use the same AI tools that I used throughout this video, you can start using ZIK Analytics trial using the link in the description, okay? If you found this video helpful, valuable somehow, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.